welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Katie Eves and this is a Krave-Worthy Life YouTube channel. I'm going to start including some new videos, different types of videos, and today I want to share with you my pantry organization that I just did and I'm so proud of. If you don't know, I live with my parents. Very thankful, but a family of 5 and a disorganized pantry means a lot of chaos. So I spent the weekend, actually just like a day over this past weekend, organizing the pantry and adding some shelf liners. I'm going to give you a tour of what it looks like. Okay, let's go. Okay, so first thing, I got these Gorilla shelf liners. I can link them below if you want. But up here on this top shelf, I've got our bread maker and then some spinning holders with some different syrups and stuff. And then I ran out for this size pantry. I was like, that's fine, I'll just stop it there, and this can be for cereal. And these cereal organizers, we've got grits. Yes, we love our grits, literally obsessed with them, especially this flavor. Okay, so next we've got stuff for making lunches and snacks. These are some fruit, mandarin oranges, and I've got a couple mixed fruits in there. And then I like these little candy bars, low in sugar. And then we've got peanut butter crackers, cheese crackers, some other flavors back there, different nuts, peanut butter, cookie butter, jelly. These are all of our like flavor packets and gravy mixes. I've got some Velveeta cheese. And then back here I've got my Cholula. If you've never seen this, you can buy a box of this on Amazon of like restaurant style hot sauce packs. So that's what I have because I'm literally obsessed with Cholula. You can also do that with like hot honey and some other condiment packets, but I've already gone through all of my hot honey. I think I might have a couple hot honey packets in my purse. And the falafel mix, just like other dry goods in here. I'm gonna eventually put some more crackers when we go back to the store. Right now we just have graham crackers. And then we've got drink mix packets, tuna, some nuts, some other flavored nuts. These are some peanut butter packets. And then soup mixes. These like really quick and easy soup mixes I have sitting right there. And then over here we've got mashed potatoes and a bunch of grains, some rice, and stuffing mix and pasta. And down here, this is the whole reason we wanted to do this project and why I took it head on, because I wanted to be able to put our appliances, our little appliances in here, because they were driving me insane being on the kitchen table, all over the cabinets, countertops. So yeah, I needed these, I needed this or something to put on these shelves so that the little feet of the appliances didn't fall through and like be all wonky and stuff. So I've accomplished that. I got the food processor here, the blender, the mini crock pot, the George Foreman grill. We've got a Belgian waffle maker, a regular waffle maker. That's like a sandwich pocket maker, the food saver. And then I've got this taco bowl maker, you know what I'm talking about, and an egg cooker. That's just some random seasoning that we use. It's gonna take us forever to go through that, so I'll just put it there. And then we've got our Instant Pot that we love so much, and then we have an old air fryer that we're gonna keep for backup, but we actually just got a new air fryer that's literally amazing. I love it. It's huge and you can separate it and do 2 different things. Love it. But okay, so over here, that's all of the shelving, right? I had to take off a lot of weight. We used to have all of our cans up here and it was just scaring me because it kept bowing down. So I removed everything and put all of these cans on these shelves. Okay, so let me start with the baking. We've got a bunch of flour back there, some extra Bisquick that we need to refill, and more flour and some random tidbits. And then we go down. I've got some backup applesauce we use for baking and for making lunch for my brother. Rolled oats, cornstarch, baking soda, I think, back there. And then these are all the sweeteners and some excess flour. So honey powder, brown sugar, pancake mix, white flour, white sugar, all that good stuff. And then there's a lunch bag, there's a shopping bag, and a step stool. And then over here we've got a bunch of canned goods, some quick lunches, tomato products, Spam, and then this section's like flavor boosters. Got your cream with chicken soup, other cream soups, salsa. Down here we've got our dressings and stuff. In here I've got some muffin mixes, and then this is some backup food supply that we have on hand. Strawberry cream of wheat, maple brown sugar, oatmeal, and I think that's some powdered milk. And back here we got like beans, dried beans, and pasta sauces, and a variety of beans and other side dishes. So yeah, that's everything that we've done. So I'm thrilled with this. The organization makes my heart happy. Being able to see what we have, where we have holes that we need to refill before we go to the store. Yeah, and then having the appliances in here, it's gonna be great because I'm slowly working towards getting the counters clean and clear the majority of the time, unless we're actively cooking or actively eating, because we went ahead and took the very old, very well loved dining table to the garage. So there are more projects to go, but while I'm here, I'll go ahead and show you my seasoning shelf too. So here's the shelf. Love it. It's on Amazon. I can link it. You can actually secure it with nails if you want, or when we lived in a rental, we secured it with tape. If I can find the picture, I'll put it in here. But up here I've got our spices that are very like deep in flavor and kind of spicy. So like red pepper, cayenne, paprika, stuff like that. What's this? Seasoned salt, stuff like that, chamoy. And then down here are the herbs, dried herbs, random things that we grab for a lot, salt and pepper. And then our cracker keepers that keeps them from getting crushed. And then I've got more easily accessible, highly sought after products in here, like garlic powder, onion powder, cocoa powder, and the like. And then I have a project for these vanilla beans coming up, but I have to finish getting a couple things for it. And then down here we've got mostly baking things, and this little holder with some of the extracts that kind of fall around in there. And then down here I've got some other like seasoning blends through here. So this is that Trader Joe's umami one, nothing but the elotes, homemade everything but the bagel seasoning. Homemade everything but the bagel seasoning. And then of course some gravy mix. And then this is new to us, but we love it. It's the Badia complete seasoning. Love it. Got this cool thing. It's super delicious for Greek food. And down here I have some extra ramen things, ramen seasoning packets that you don't always need to cook with or use. And then got some yeast and some other fun things. These are like bouillon powders, and then a couple baking random things. And that's what we've got on the seasoning door. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this video inspired you to go give your pantry a look over, and one video at a time. I hope this channel helps you and I both build a life worth craving. Bye.